In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update practice information and branding in SimplePractice. Let's start by getting to the right place. Inside your SimplePractice account, head to Settings, then choose Practice and open Practice Details. This is your central hub for everything clients and staff will see about your practice, so it's worth a quick review even if you've set it up before. Begin by updating your core details. Make sure your practice name is exactly how you want it to appear on invoices, superbills, and client communications. Check that your phone number and email are current and monitored, since appointment reminders and client replies may use these. Confirm your time zone matches where you provide services. This prevents scheduling mix-ups and ensures appointments, reminders, and billing timestamps are accurate. Finally, verify your billing address. This typically appears on client-facing documents and can be important for insurance paperwork. When you're satisfied, click Save. Saving frequently helps you avoid losing any changes as you go. Next, let's add or update your branding with a logo. In the Practice Logo section, upload a .jpg or PNG file. A clear, high-resolution image works best. If you have a version with a transparent background, a .png often looks cleaner on different backgrounds. After the upload completes, review the preview to ensure it appears crisp and centered. Then click Save. A consistent logo helps clients recognize your practice across emails, portals, and documents. If you serve clients in more than one place or offer telehealth, scroll down to the Office Location section. Here, you can add a new location or edit an existing one. Give each location a clear name so it's easy to identify on your calendar and in client communications. Enter the address for in-person offices. For telehealth-only services, you can leave the address blank, which keeps your setup accurate without exposing a physical location. Choose a color to visually distinguish this location on your calendar. Color coding makes multi-location scheduling much easier at a glance. Then set your public view preferences. This controls what clients can see on the client portal, such as whether the address is shown or hidden. It's a good way to protect privacy while keeping clients informed. When you're done, click Save. That's it. By reviewing practice details, uploading a clean logo, and organizing your office locations with the right visibility settings, you'll present a polished, accurate brand everywhere in SimplePractice. You can return to these settings anytime to keep your information up to date.